So when I started out in 1995, I didn't have a Pittsburgh machine. I only had a 4-foot brake and a bench. And I did all my Pittsburghs by hand. So I'm going to show you that here today. This will be a quick video. So you could do these on a small brake like this if you have one on your truck. You're going to start out at 7/8 of an inch or an inch mark if you want a little longer on the Pittsburgh, but for the purposes here, we're going to do 7/8. So you're going to bend up 90. You're bending to the outside of the piece of duct. You're going to come in inside of the duct facing you. You're going to go all the way over. You're going to come back to the outside of the duct again. Clamp it down just to bring this over again. Then you're going to do a squeeze. After the squeeze, you'll be left with something like that. Go back into the brake. Pull it out a little beyond the pocket. You're going to give it a slight kick. You're going to come back with a hammer. And you're going to knock that down. That's going to give you the Hand Pittsburgh, like that. And then another quick lesson, inside dovetail is going to be an inch. And again, this leaf on this brake is only 3/8 of an inch, so you have to mark it. We're not using a bigger brake right now. Just showing you guys what you could do with a brake on your truck. Get that up. That's your inside dove. And just a simple kick. And your inside doves are cut at 45 degrees. And then bang. And give you something like that. Bend your quarter. Come up. When you're done, then all you have to do is obviously notch that side with your notchers. But there you have a complete half of a piece of duct, all done on a brake that you can keep on your truck. Please like and subscribe. Helps us support the channel. Hope to see you.